The Central GST Department has busted a major racket where substandard areca nuts from Indonesia were smuggled into the country, brought to Kerala, then brought to Mangaluru, where a carcinogenic material was used for polishing these areca nuts. These are cancer-causing nuts, and that is why Indian government has banned the use of Indonesian substandard areca nuts in India. These areca nuts cannot be sold in India, cannot be used in India. But these smuggling mafia, these masterminds of this racket are smuggling these substandard areca nuts from Indonesia. They are polishing it with carcinogenic material and bringing it into the Indian market, selling it to pan masala manufacturers, selling it to gutka manufacturers, selling it to supari mouth freshener manufacturers. These nuts, if consumed, can cause cancer, and that is why they are banned for use in India. Respective departments like the Food and Drug Administration, FSSAI, DRI, Customs, CGST, and multiple other departments have carried out crackdown on these Indonesian substandard areca nut smuggling racket kingpins in the past as well, and there's an ongoing action. Now the CGST department Raigad has busted this racket. They have seized 11 trucks containing these substandard areca nuts. This is a major tax evasion racket as well. Crores worth taxes have been evaded by the masterminds of this racket. One Samir Khan, one Kader Khan are the masterminds of this racket, and very soon the CGST department could issue show cause notice to them, could summon them, and there could be further action taken. Also, sources are telling us that in the backward investigation, the department has found out that over 100 such trucks have already reached Delhi, where a trader named Krishna Trader has been supplied with the same quality substandard areca nuts for use in making pan masala and gutka. These areca nuts are of substandard quality from Indonesia, and that is why these nuts are banned for use in India. They cannot be sold in India, they cannot be used in India. But despite that, for lucrative returns, to make a quick buck, the kingpins of this racket are running this smuggling racket, smuggling Indonesian substandard areca nuts, selling it to pan masala manufacturers in North India, in Delhi, and to gutka manufacturers as well. There could be search operations, there could be further action that can be initiated by the CGST department in this crackdown. With camera person Kiran Sakpal, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.